Hello guys, dito tayo sa St. Joseph Church and School sa Como. Start tayo ng St. Joseph's Camino Walk dito sa Sydney. 17 kilometers yata overall pa ibang parish. Ayan guys, ang daming tao. For men lang tayo. Ang daming tao guys. Dito tayo sa first stop sa St. Joseph's Parish or School and Church, alam ko. Bale, ayan guys, may mga banner. For men lang to eh. So, kakatapos lang ng mass at 8 p.m. May confession din before, so kakatapos lang natin mag-confession. So, stig. Hindi ko alam kung gaano karami this year. Last year, mga 700, 800 na men. So, pilgrimage to. Mag-visit ng iba-ibang church. Mga 5. Mas bawat stop may prayer ng rosary, decade ng rosary, tapos adoration. Tapos konting break, pahinga. All in all, 17 kilometers. Matapos siya kinabukasan na ng 7 a.m. May mass ng 7 a.m. kinabukasan. So, overnight to na paglalakad. So, hopefully, makaya natin. Konting preparation lang tayo the past few days eh, ng paglalakad. Yung mahirap dito yung puyatan eh. Kasi hindi naman tayo sanay magpuyat. Kaya, ang dami nating baon. Hindi naman madami. May baon tayong mga pagkain at drinks. Siyempre magutom, mapagod, mauhaw. Mahirap na. Kaso yun lang. Ang offset nun is may bit-bit kang medyo marami. May bit-bit tayong stool, upuan na portable. Kasi syempre, baka walang upuan sa ibang stop, marami kasi tao. So, ito is in honor of St. Joseph, the spiritual or foster father of Jesus dito sa earth, and the human spouse of Mama Mary. Yun lang guys. Inspired to nung Camino de Santiago walk, alam ko, sa Spain, which is mas mahaba. Definitely mas mahaba kasi parang tumatagal siya ng mga araw eh, na walk or pilgrimage. Yun ang alam ko. So, yun lang guys. Mag-start na tayo maglakad-lakad in a while. Ito yung mga konting lumalabas sa church after ng mass. Dito tayo sa may south east yata banda ng Sydney. Sa may Sutherland, Cronulla, mga churches sa paligid mag-pilgrimage. So, ako lang kung lalamig pa mamaya. Yun lang guys. See you ulit mamaya. Saint Patrick's Church. 3 kilometers walk. First stop. Halos 1 hour din. Tapos adoration and first decade progress. I mean 1 decade of rosary. Maraming tao ngayon ah. Going to the second church.
Nice to meet you.
Mas malaking, mas mahabang lakad siguro.
Yeah. I belong to the same party.
Let's see. Yeah, sinusundan ko lang sila.
Yeah.
You're right. Could go there for another thing. And they Irish ones, and there's also the only very young
Hey, wait, this guy looks familiar. Hey, Cleo, how are you?
I'm good. What's that? Going to eat?
Some? Lollies.
Oh, we were just eating
Yeah, have some.
But I have something for you.
Huh?
I have something for you.
Oh, really? I'll trade you. You want a muesli bar or do you want something savory? Walking, yeah. My knees were like, oh, now you're back.
May bus. Kapag pagod ka na daw, pwede daw magpahinga sa bus. Bago to. Last year, wala nun. Gandang idea. Siyempre, kapag yung mga hindi nangakaya.
Everyone can see us all.
Pagising mo, tapos na. Nasa ibang state ka na. Joke lang.
We were in the video.
Dami ring police, tsaka mga marshal, tsaka ambulance. So, safe. Safe talaga. Amazing. Ito lang sa St. Catherine Laborie, right?
This one, yes. St. Catherine.
With Clive. It's right, 30 minutes, right?
30 minutes to the next one. Next one is Our Lady Star of the Sea, and it's 29 minutes.
And also 30 minutes a while ago. From the first stop.
Somewhere around there.
2 kilometers, so going to the next stop. All right, bye.
Where the Quankers are new, right? Any Quankers? Am I leading? Yeah. And my cousin. Quankers or Quankers were always there.
Okay. Sa Our Lady of Star of the Sea na. 30 minutes walk around ulit from the second stop. I think 1.8 kilometers. Time check is around. What time is it? 2:30?
It was 2:30 earlier. Now it is 2:43.
2:43 a.m. Good morning,
We are
guys.
doing great.
Still okay? Still 100% sleep.
We are awake.
Okay, sorry, too noisy. Going to the next. Okay. Hello guys. Dito na tayo sa Our Lady of Fatima Church. Mga 2 kilometers din siguro ulit yan. Mga 30 minutes ulit. Hindi ko na ako sure. Pero parang gano'n yung mga average ng distance ng mga churches. So, time check, 3:30 a.m. Kaya pa yan, guys. Medyo malaki to. Parang may school siya. Ganda, guys. So, nasa loob na yung mga men alive. Oh, ganda guys. Ganda na statue. Our Lady of Fatima. May kneeler. Amazing. Divine Mercy image. Going to toilet?
People are just waiting for eating.
Toilet?
Yeah, maybe we'll go and come.
Amazing. Ang ganda ng church. May coffee. Kuha tayo. Grabe, lamig na. Naantok na ako. 5 a.m. na. Yung iba, naantok na rin. At pagod na. Pero sige pa rin.
They started walking, so I don't want you too much behind. So, yeah.
Nag-walk na daw sila papuntang last stop.
Be nice.
Last stop na, guys. Do you know how? Do you know how? Do you know how long is the last? 3K. The longest, right? So far. Usually the longest.
I think
The last. 3K. Hindi tayo umabot sa coffee. We missed the coffee. Maybe they want us to walk. Last stop. A lot of guys went ahead already.
maybe we can just follow.
Yeah, sure.
Trying to record gear.
Grabe, ang lalaki ng bahay. Huge houses, Clive. Huge houses. Rich people in this suburb.
Maybe just blessed.
Huh?
Or maybe just blessed.
Yeah, blessed. Hashtag blessed. You going to take a photo? Oh, the gloves. I thought you would take a photo.
I meant gear, as in like.
Oh, okay. Cannot take any more the hot hands.
Oh yeah.
Not enough.
Oh no. I think my hand is too cold. Last time we had it not during winter. This time we had it during. I think it
Was it already? I was thinking it was like July.
Was it? That was must be.
Ah, okay. It's cold already, but almost sunrise. See? Almost there. Laki ng mga bahay dito. Sa Cronulla na kami. Doon ang last stop, last church. And last will be the mass. Then barbecue breakfast. Ewan ko kung kita pa sa video. Pero ang lalaki ng bahay. Grabe. Ito yata yung pinakamalalaking bahay na suburb na nakita ko. Grabe oh. Yamanin. Yeah, sunrise na guys. Ganda. Oh, may liwanag na. Ayan na, sa Cronulla. Okay. May liwanag na. Buhay pa guys. Oh, ganda ng park. Good morning. Umaga na talaga. I think it's 6:15 maybe. Lapit na yata kami. Almost. Ganda ng sky, guys.
Yeah, it's not but they still have the first reading and the second reading.
Pink. Ay, pink ba yan? Basta orange.
Then the load show
Konting push pa.
I feel like when I sit down,
Ganda.
I won't be able to get up. Yeah, yeah. It's just tightening all up. Yeah, I feel like once I sit down, it's over.
Ganda naman ng cinema na to.
It's harder to
Since 1928. Vintage. Ganda. Nasaan? This is the... We're in the beach, right? Cronulla. Ganda ng mga apartment. Sa beach side papunta. Ang ganda. Ganda naman. Must be nice if your apartment is there. Nice view. Oh, it's a hotel. I thought it's an apartment. Oh, Regis. Oh, nice.
Very inviting, isn't it? Temptation. The lure of comfort.
Extra struggle. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Ganda, guys, oh. Look at that. Very clear. I thought you went somewhere. Ganda, oh. Look at that, guys. Good morning. Amazing.
I just joined you guys.
There's Daven live. There's Daven. Daven. Ganda. Grabe. Woo! Oh, there's a plane. May mga shops dito.
So we came here because we want to take pictures.
Photo op. Yan, nagpicturean na yung mga... Ganda. Dito kami pinadaan. Sa beach side. Dami. Ganda pala dito. May mga running path. Oh, nice view. Pwedeng mag-exercise. Wala, may mga nagkakayaking na dun. Nice, guys. Umabot din guys sa last stop. Woo, we made it. Time check, 6:30, around 6:30. Nasa St. Aloysius Gonzaga Catholic Church na tayo. Dito sa Cronulla. Galing. Sa wakas, natapos natin din. Medyo mas hindi tayo pagod this year compared to lang last time. Amazing. Galing. And guys, it's the morning. After ng adoration at last decade ng rosary. Tapos last talk about sa isang virtue ni Saint Joseph. Yung mass na ng 8 a.m. Then, barbecue, breakfast. Yun lang guys. I think, pasok na tayo. Okay guys, natapos din. Woo! We survived. Papunta sila dun sa school yata. For the breakfast barbecue. Pero tayo, uwi na. Makapagpahinga na. So, time check around 8:15. Maliwanag na. Pa-spring na talaga. Or ewan kung spring na. Technically. Mabilis na mag-sunrise. And sila. May free barbecue. Tsaka coffee. Tayo, pahinga na. Pagod na ang lolo nyo. Ang ganda sa area na to. Wow, natapos natin, guys. Kakatapos lang ng mass. Yung last part. And total yata 17 kilometers. Tapos 5 churches sa pagkakaalam ko. And around 1,000 daw ang estimate nila. So, tumaas naman. Last year is around 700 yata, 800. So, next year, hopefully, mas marami ulit. Gandang experience, guys. Sali kayo next time. Pero, kailangan talagang prepare kasi grabe yung antok ko. Last part na. Sa mass, talagang pikit-pikit na. Mahirap nang makatulog. Mababagsakan yung katabi. Anong ginagawa dito? Apartment? Sa Cronulla. Ganda kasi ng view eh. Ano guys? Beach na yan eh. Yung nilakaran kanina. Doon tayo tumawid. Kasi ito, puro shops na. Marami na. Maganda dito. Kaso, most likely, mahal yan. May event yata. May mga stalls. Daanan lang ulit natin yung beach. Ayan, park. Ang ganda. Oh, pwedeng tumambay-tambay. Ang ganda sa ano na to, sa beach na to. Ang ganda talaga sa Sydney. Ang ganda ng mga beach sa Sydney. Ayan, oh. Ganda, guys. Gandang sarap mag-exercise. Uwi na tayo. Makatulog na. Medyo malayo-layo na to sa ano eh. Saan yan? Antok lang. Sa mga sikat na ibang beach. Hindi tayo. Pero, laki kasi ng Greater Sydney. Yung coastline. May mga beach pa talagang ganito. Gaganda. So, ayun lang siguro guys for today's video. Thank you for joining me again. And hope to see you next time sa next Camino walk dito sa Sydney. See you and bye. St. Joseph, pray for us. Bye.